You're posting content, you're checking your analytics, but you have no idea what the numbers actually mean or what you should do differently. What if there was an AI assistant that could look at any analytics dashboard, Facebook, YouTube, or any platform and instantly tell you what's working, what's broken, and exactly how to fix it? That's what I'm showing you today with Comet AI browser. Let's get started.
If you haven't tried Perplexity free AI browser yet, you can get it at perplexity.ai/Comet. Here you're going to see that you can download it easy on Mac, Windows, and Android. And you can use it as your default browser, or you can use it as an additional browser anytime you need. Let me show you how it works. All right, here we are inside of my Facebook professional dashboard where I want to analyze my analytics. So I'm going to go up to the top right, click Assistant, and you're going to see it's going to pop open the sidebar so you can type in and have it do any work that you want to. As you'll notice, it even makes some suggestions to summarize, to propose replies, to create a new post draft. You can do a lot of things with this assistant, but for today, I'm going to show you how you can analyze your analytics. Now, I did a training for my Amplify insiders inside my Amplify Your Business School community, and I have 3 prompts, actually 4 prompts to get a baseline, to start to get an overview of your analytics, as well as what you can do each and every week for your Facebook. Now, this is not just for Facebook. You can do this for Instagram, TikTok. You can even do it for YouTube, which I'll show you in just a moment here. Let me grab one of these prompts. Let me show you how easy this is. So I grabbed the baseline prompt. Let's go ahead and let it go. Now, as you see, the screen turns blue. That means, as you see down here, it is working. And it's going to go through and look at all the different tabs, fully analyze everything to give you the best recommendations. It's scrolling through each of the different tabs here. It's going to start giving you some recommendations down on the side. I don't know about you, but I am not a fan of looking at analytics and trying to figure out what's the best thing that I should do. And here we are getting the baseline report, the key performance metrics, engagement, follower growth, content performance, all the way down to recommendations. What's the priority to double down on? How to leverage your non-follower reach, how to improve your engagement rate, your content mix strategy, maintaining posting consistency, some quick wins, and your summary. This is phenomenal. You guys have got to give this a try. I will have the link to the Comet AI browser in the description. Let me show you what it did for YouTube as well. Here we are inside of my YouTube studio on my last video, and you're going to go ahead and click the assistant. You're going to notice that it's going to give you some suggestions, which I love that it does that. So I simply asked it to analyze the analytics of this new video, tell me what you see and the recommendations, and compare to my other videos on this channel. And it turns blue. That means it's working. It's going to start analyzing this. And we're going to come back to this in just a moment. Look at all of the analyzing it did. I'm going to scroll up here. You'll see everything that it went through, telling you exactly what it was doing, but you know what the most important part is? And that is, what is the analysis? And I love how it went through, looked at the views, the watch time, the duration, everything, the impressions, unique viewers, the subscribers, likes, the traffic source analysis, comparison to the other videos as well, and the strengths. 60% from recommendations show YouTube is pushing your content. You like this. You want to see this kind of things. You have to pay people good money if you don't know how to analyze your analytics so that you can make the right decisions for each video. If you need to pivot, areas for improvement, we've got retention challenge, average view duration. It's got a lower CTR, it said, below the recommendation of 5 to 10%, and some engagements, not very many comments yet. So it talks about improving my hook, and my thumbnail optimization suggests that it's not compelling enough. Test a new thumbnail. I like this. A pattern interrupt, when to do that. Some content strategy to leverage your winners against other videos that I've had that have done really well. Looking at the optimizing my length, the CTA strategy, just the trend analysis. This is so great. You guys, if you have not taken advantage of this assistant inside of Comet, which is absolutely for free, definitely grab the link, download it, and give it a try. Use it if you have a YouTube or if you have a Facebook or an Instagram. If anything you wanted to analyze, you can put it on any page and it's going to work for you. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you're not following me yet, definitely click that subscribe link. That helps my channel. That helps show YouTube that you guys love my content. And if you have not joined the Amplify Your Business School community yet, this is where I get to network with my community, people who want to stop the scroll, learn more about how to push their business forward using AI. So I'll see you in the next video.